akoto ma ba wie akoyi franketuni na ejebo eje nya bedu emu adidi atem ene se de esi hyase na ohwe se de amanfo no yetoto ayampia ma ye ho camps no Kennedy Bawumia camp ni ade no mo toto ba wo ho a ni nyina no awie yakoduru ama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene nkunimdie eba ma no na no memeneda with 56% support from air delegates no we say Bawumia popular within the MPP na the popularity ni nyina no we say 56 na is 44 no aka no adwuma kakra nso o se watimi across so half na aka half bi a eso onya edeka ho wo ono ankasa ne krom ono an ne party mu me chere ne party nim within the party ewom se oya acceptability no wo soro de nanso that 44% no aka no Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan any Brian the champion ni other candidates no efifa bie no significant say ohwe na otubi bɔ ne ho modern to me gather eno na owie ni fie a ene beboa am watumi atiasi mu ye in 2028 enti Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, my advice to you ne say there are two things esa wo ye betumi aboa wo. One, yes, ube choose the right running mate. Ni edi kan kra. Ube choose the right running mate. Running mate ya. Onim said ye, wunu susuye. Ene wanamutu no etie. Onim vision, wani suadim no. Enye running mate ya de nam ha. No so de nam ha. Na ose shisha na running mate ya wabedwiregu. One of the aspects ehunhia pa. Na the other aspect nso yes we betumi abridge all the factions together. Kennedy Brian a champion say Brian a champion perform yie pa. Kire wo so no so base wo no okuram. All the other candidates no ebe here unity. So be ka omu nyina bom no matter what it is. Obetra yenya omu nyina bom na watumi anya that 44% na aka no because say we fear ankasa timi hihye ne yi a upia bonte anya wode. When the NDC went to opposition split by even in 2019 so omukopet flag bearership ni pay you omuti within the NDC na nya asem get were coming to contest John Dramani Mahama ne ade but omutimi hihye omu fie yi no they came stronger by they. Eti ehu hia se o hihye ne yie. Me de my advice to you ni se ebetumi a o running mate wo sesa na eye ebeboa wo. My advice to you Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene se wo sesa o running mate a ebeboa wo. I would prefer somebody like Dr. Brian Echampong or Educhum or any other person Sabe, or what that kind of political maturity and or yeah experience than a kasa yemuno. And they said you besi a ton when this wadi huno no. Ebe ton krofo. So the major challenge for you now is the obeyino as a running mate. A very, very much important. These two things. Ni wofa as a running mate. And they say obetumi abridge factions no a party ni mu say 44% na atekọ the other candidates no one together. Sa no ma we wo ya. Now what yes kwem and it now depends on the NDC's performance in the next 3 years away animi. Ti say wo ye mienu mi wi a. Na say the NDC bebo mo ho modern wa mamuo mu no and e be kire. Set 2028 no ubetumi appreciate o percentage ya wunya ye before in 2024 elections no. This is my advice to you Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Change your running mate. Very important. Pick people who are a person who is politically matured experience or be share vision and obey to me communicate well to the Ghanaian electorate no omo ebeto aba no very very much important that will determine your success or failure going forward. My advice am de be ma wa no na uremu a ye beto aba no ensem pinu a akoso eye edifo a wono mo ahyase na ye hye nkom nye ne na ahyase mum abato mu nkom hye bebrebe na mepese utietie kakra na miwia na me woka no maka mepese utie wei eye prophet ya obepa ache wi Bernard L. Bernard prophet na L. Bernard de no yentie no kakra ebra ogina awrade anamu akasa so no anso ne kasa ya yentie no
Nhyira FM
prophet L. Bernard ebra na o kasa no asem we no oka
Kennedy Ohene Japan does not win the MPP contest that he's doing, what will happen?
It's impossible for Kennedy Ohene Japan not to win the flag bearership.
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
Are you serious?
It's like the way a dog cannot fly.
Are you serious?
That's how impossible it is for Kennedy Japan to lose the flag bearership.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you that those who are supporting several candidates,
yes,
they themselves know that their candidates will not win. So,
we a prophet Bernard na waka sisupo oni nua pani obi nso twetwe nkomo the same thing waka oputu 27 years of in the ministry on the line we nso ne Paul Adom Ochre on Good Evening Ghana also ono edie it is impossible and to mean see Kennedy onwini now prophet Atajebi enso kasai yentie prophet Atajebi
3 days no want man na aka be a political prophet. A professor for MPP, a professor for NDC. I don't do that. But who's one I catch you?
Bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5. Omo ne bra omo wa so dem omo professor no. This is it.
I told my people that Kennedy is leading the show. I told them and people will say one MP come in so for your power but bibi say men fa o magigina so mama do na. Pastor Dario. What friend they are doing one? If you who be man can for masem who be man can. This is what I've been seeing in the spirit. I'm a mom pioneers a stand up on Toko Bissino. But who did the chance kind and about on Cremas? I let him crop for I saw people more than 60 on the other side. There's going to be a break of war. In the the Lord told me I'm praying still. When I make capture me Thursday at the other chinchi, and now I was in prayer, Thursday no by 1:15. Nini pa obenyano edaso. 1:15 Thursday. Tie spiritual thing dia obedane no e ka 3 days and yeda no. E ka 3 days no ntima na ne na aka. Yesu simbe na nansa so na here. Sorry. The people don't know. Me share me greedy ya wada fiada me da number 2. Nti ya wada na e wura mu fiada by 1:15. Let that so. It means it's some power. The prophet of God. Power.
We a prophet Ata JB. Na last one mebo na fi de me work na maka no we.
Yan papa Kennedy be twitu physical Saturday. Onu amu be twitu. Onu amu be twitu physical. Asem we am said it on radio me makanya first time I'm making it. Yan papa Kennedy be twitu physical Saturday. Onu amu be twitu. Onu amu be twitu physical. Asem we am said it on radio me makanya first time I'm making it. So I'm saying this on record. Onu ankasa be twitu physical. No one can do easy so and that's what they call often quite easy so delegates so do and the you say the or him was say for now no worry and young papa Kennedy be too physical Saturday
right we asofo ni bi and then some so pa in fact I have about 15 videos any eye ehun bebre. But you see, the Christian Council, Ghana Pentecostal Council of Churches, ne womwa sorry groups, software groups, no. I don't know why. No, maybe say no, they are not speaking. Because for now, I say, ye dia manyosem ewura eye Christo sumunu ama asofo ni bi efa do womo ankasa instinct, womo ankasa ehunumumu, womo de kasa. Ba na ya ye ne se nyame na e kasa. This is the reason why me can say, because my young shall be Deuteronomy 18:21-22. You will be a friend definite prophecy, a unconditional. Near Bible ne can Deuteronomy 18:21-22. Bra Facebook be had. Also, you may say to yourselves, how can we know when a message has not been spoken by the Lord? If what a prophet proclaims in the name of the Lord does not take place or come true, that is a message the Lord has not spoken. That prophet has spoken presumptuously, so do not be alarmed. I'm just quoting the scriptures. Because you say you were definite prophecies. Ebina asofo ne ye means definite, it will come to pass. And that. I put my years of prophecy on the line. That is a definite prophecy. Just say a unconditional. And the Bible is saying in Deuteronomy 18:21-22, say, when a prophet speaks in the name of the Lord, say he say radineka na saa de no amamu a e kire se nya urade ne ka kire no enye no na enye me na meka e Bible na eka o kire se ye presumptuous no ane de na adwene eka bibi. Now Numbers 23 verse number 19, or say, God is not a human that he should lie, not a human being that he should change his mind. Does he speak and then not act? Does he promise and not fulfill? Actually say, everybody in the pen with the atro on can be onyo, especially with definite prophecy. Some mere grade may say, I better say, say, answer some. Everybody so in the pen with the atro. It just says, I didn't ebem. It yamamu actually say in free ready. Every day, 1 Kings 22 near deka, spirit of lies, a qua prophets, and so 400 prophets, that die happen near the adeno. Because Sabeni Yame, a yin sefrimu. It what was happening was the spirit of lies. But the Makayacho in nature say, so because the end to means a definite prophecy. It is as some penetrates said you can inferior ready. Number 2, you a conditional prophecy. And no dear, a warning base, a rather say, Samuel say ya may say, and you almost quite about to say Ebia, Kennedy and answer it me say dear and couldn't be by a condition. Decide an uncle swa, a bit me about to be loose. And no be Jeremiah 18:7-8. Or say at what instant? My main kind free her NIV no. Or say if at any time I announce that a nation or kingdom is to be uprooted, torn down and destroyed, and if that nation I warned repents of its evil, then I will relent and not inflict on it the disaster I had planned. Eche say, Ewurade betumi aka asem bi but conditions bi wo se nipa no ye de a ne onu Ewurade aka no otumi sesa na adwene. Ezeki ya de so o kan ba wo sesa na adwene. Enti no yenhwe ne yie se ase ye de yehunu mu ni yen ankasa bi a se de ye si feel se ade ne si kɔ no ye de begina ho kasa ma Ewurade. Ye gu Kristo sumani mu ase. Me de me plea with this prophets ne say yen Kristo sum free amanyosem ne election predictions no yen nyai saa de no egu Kristo sumani mu ase nyame mpesa. How can the Lord say this and not do it? And ma church mu de ache no. If indeed it's from the Lord, it will be established. Yenya isade no ba ku ise wosu Kennedy be twetwo physical enti yakoba say no we mu nyina ya panic and fear. It will be person okokura wosuro say me ko ba bia Kennedy wo no be twetwo. This panic and fears no we difference be in the wom chen ebo no wade no. ebo no wa ya che no so wo share prof or my prophecy say ensuo beto on the 25th ensuo anto no ya che no enti de osi ye betwetwo ni saa wo mu aka yi a eno so anya yi no saa panic amfie na ba eno so ye ne den enti I will plead me asofo mo keka yi nyina no menim ba bi obi frɛ ni nyame na menyina ho me nka se they are not men of God. Me ask for El Bernard me jinidi pa because me tie ni preaching I know he's a man of God. All the others me tie omo preaching I reflecting your me asem but say omo anhwe ni yie na mo advice mo ho a mo be ye say ya na afi na nipa bi gidi omo nya wo nyame mu na eto ape na omo gidi esa because onim say prophet na me jinidi so o kan beba mu no o ye say na anye yi di prophets no ene adifo no a mo de mo ho awura amanyose mu no munya election prophecies no munyai wode ebo ho mpaye e wo kokoam na awurade nya de obeye na emoye Nhyira 104.5
Nhyira FM 104.5 and we are